Welcome to Dan's Doing It on the Fly right here in beautiful Southern Oregon again today. Trying to get some winter panfish or some winter bass, and it's just not going so well. I started thinking to myself, well, why don't I do a tutorial for a couple of different casts you can do from the pontoon boat? Because to be honest, coming from a beginner, it's a little easier to watch another beginner than a pro sometimes, because we make a lot of the same mistakes, but we figure out ways to overcome them and get our casts out there and at least get you started and get you the idea. So today I'm using a Redington Vapen Red. It's a number 8 weight, 9 foot. I have a Skagit shooting head on here. It's a Rio short max, 550 grain, with just a little piece of mono and a little bluegill fly I just kind of whipped together before I left. So essentially what we're going to do, we're going to get right down to it here. So what I like to do, I'll leave a little space off the tip of my rod here so you can kind of get a little wiggle action, and then I'll set up the fly. And what I do is I set it up, because I'm right-handed, I set it up on my right side. If you like, you can choose to set up on your left. This is just preference for me. So once I got my line laid out here, so my fly is prepped, I got enough room to come around the boat and let it go out. So now we'll talk a little bit more about that prep, because that's where a lot of people have issues. So when you go to bring it around, you just do a short whip underneath, and that sets your fly back here, within a rod length of your position. So we can do it to the other side as well for left-handed. You come straight out here, and then you'll come around, and it just gives you a nice clean anchor and a nice clean full load on your rod, as long as you don't rush it and the big thing is you're not trying to pull through it. So you want to load the butt of your rod to get a good solid load on the line. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to the right. I'm going to bring it around. And these are not the most beautiful casts, I understand that. And I understand, I'm a beginner. I'm trying to help other individuals like myself who are just trying to adapt and overcome and get our lines out and in the water so that we can just try and catch some fish. So I'm going to do one last cast and we'll be all done.